Hi guys, what's going on? This is Ashkaf here from HowardAshkaf.com. Today I'm going to show a hack. Using that hack, you can post any links to Facebook. Facebook doesn't like to divert their visitors to any other platform. Okay, so if you post any link other than is YouTube, for example, you want to post your Warrior Plus link, you maybe have an affiliate link with Warrior Plus directly, or you have a JVZoo, or you have to post your bonus of a page directly with the Facebook doesn't allow that. They just say there's an error message will come, you have violated community violation or some sort of error, and they will block. But today, with the hack that I'm going to show you, you can post any links with that to YouTube. Okay, for that, what you have to do is I will leave everything in the description, also the instruction what you have to do. First, you have to make ready your Facebook post and the link which you are going to post on the Facebook, and a small description, because it's a hack, because we are going to place this hack in a different place, so a person who is coming to that page, he has to see what is that link. So you have to the small description about that link, so describing what is that link is for. Okay, you have to make these three ready, and you can do that. Now I'm going to show you step by step how to do that. Okay, without further ado, we'll just jump into my computer. First, you have to go to Google, your Google account. Everybody has a Google account, so you have to go to the Google account and go to Google Docs. Okay, go to Google Docs, open a new doc and open a blank one. Now for this demo purpose, I have made everything ready. So I'm using my last review, that is plan to profit review instruction link. So I'm copying that description, the text about the link. Okay, and this is the link I have already prepared for this demo purpose. So as I told you, you have to prepare your link, a description about that link, and a Facebook post. Okay, and now the work is done. So this is the describing the text, and this is the link. This is the bonus link. If you directly put this bonus link to the Facebook, it will block you and say you are doing a community violation or something like that. And you just click here. So this name will come here in the doc. Then go to File. Then go to Publish to Web. Okay. Then click here, Publish. Then say OK. Now you can see this is the link that you're going to put into the Facebook. But this link is a mile long. You cannot put this into the Facebook because it will look very ugly. So copy this to a notepad for the time being. Okay, and paste it here, because this is such a long, lengthy the link. You cannot put this ugly link. So after that, you have to shorten this URL. Okay, to shorten this URL, there are so many URL shorteners. I am using Bitly. Okay, bitly.com. So because I have an account with Bitly, so I come to the bitly.com. If you don't have an account, you can create it. It's a free account. Okay, so come here to Bitly, then say create, and here place that link. Okay, I'm copying, and say create, and you can see now this is the shortened link. Okay, copy this link for the time being and paste it in a convenient place. I'm pasting in my notepad for the time being. Okay, then go to Facebook, go to new post. Okay, and I'm copying the same for the same description for the demo purpose, and pasting here, and here now I'm pasting that shortened link. Copy that, paste it here, and I have already made what you call the Facebook post also I have made for this demo purpose. So I'm bringing that here, and post. Boom, that's it guys. Now you can see now that post is here with the new shortened link. Okay, now what you have to do is, okay, if you click that, okay, now it is coming to that your Google Doc, and if you click this, you can see here you say okay, click this again, boom, your bonus page or whatever the link that you can put there, and you can post that link to Facebook via Facebook. Okay guys, so that is the way how to do to post any links using this hack. I think you might have understood my review on about this, and I think this might have brought a good value for you all. So if you like this video, please give a thumbs up and like my video, and also please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon, because I used to do reviews about cloud-based softwares, how to make money online, traffic generation, and many more reviews, and how to do video like this also I do time to time. So all this will be notified once you once you subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Okay guys, so I will leave the instructions what you have to do one by one in the YouTube description as well. Okay guys, thank you very much. Stay safe. Bye bye.